If your nose gets itchy around dogs, you're not alone. But if your heart still wants a pup, you might just need a poodle. Poodles are famous for being hypoallergenic, which means they're less likely to trigger allergies. Their curly wool-like coats trap dander and shed way less than most breeds. That's a win for your nose. Plus, poodles come in all sizes: tiny toys, medium minis, and big standards. So there's one for every home. Fun fact, poodle hair keeps growing, just like ours, so regular grooming is a must. Brush them a few times a week and schedule haircuts to keep their coat healthy and neat. Ready to breathe easy and snuggle more? Poodles might be your perfect match.